Hey guys, it is cold these days in the UK, in London. What is going on? This saying great. So we're about to start this video. This video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to go through some, let me show you, hold on. So I've got my heater on and everything. It is too damn cold, okay? Okay, y'all, we got some supplies and delivery. I am about to unbox these bits. Obviously, I've opened the bits at the top, but I wanted to show you. And we have this big old box that we need to go through. I have had, guys, this corner of my room is just forever looking crazy. But I have had deliveries of other bits as well, which I am currently selling on my TikTok shop. These polygel kits, they do so well. These new 𝘠𝘵𝘵𝘪𝘧𝘪𝘐 kits that I have seem to be doing extremely well as well. I must say though, guys, this corner of my sitting room is just forever looking beautiful. I officially now have a folder as well where I put all my legal documents inside. I got some more pens so I can document correctly in my diary. I got some more orders to do, package up. These are my keys. And yeah, let's get into it. This is how I'll be setting up, guys. Dragging this thing. And then I need to get the plug, but it does extend up higher. Right there. And now I've got some lighting over there. Then I grab this bad boy, stick my phone on there so I can get another view. Oh, the struggle. We shall get there. Okay, I'm going to start by unboxing and then the rest of the video would be me doing some packages. And I have quite a few to go through. All of this, 2 of these, and then I think I might have some more. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing first, but I'm just going to do it right here so you guys can see everything, okay? I'll be back. Here we go. I'm going to get my box cutter and we can see what's inside this. I think as soon as I open it, then I'll be able to put it on the table so you guys can have a look. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Some more of those. Great. Thus far, I have been getting my supplies off of auction websites. Anytime I see anything to do with nails, that's what I'm scooping up. And you never know what you're going to get. You never know the quantity. You never know how much it's going to go up to. So you have to play it by ear. When I'm branding my own things, then that's going to be different because I do want my customers to have everything they need to do with nails. But that's going to be a slow process for a while. So for now, I can get things like full kits, 3 different acrylics in there. It's got the monomer, it's got brushes, a little glass and a nail file. And that would just be a lovely kit to sell for like £10 to £15 and it would disappear very, very fast. So I love those. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 of those. And then we have some really cute 𝘠𝘵𝘵𝘪𝘧𝘪𝘐 kits. I have not seen this in person before because I usually get that as I showed you in my last box. So I know these sell very well. This particular kit is going to be trial and error, but because it has everything inside. Right, let me move this box away. This is how the box comes. Very, very adorable. Okay, open here. Okay, so that's just a little instruction thing. I like that pouch though. That's a cute pouch. And then it just says, "Hello gorgeous, we're glad to meet you here." And then it has the nails. So we have coffin shape and then we have an almond pointy shape. So that's great. It's got 2 of those. Oh my gosh, it has some gems. You guys are going to love this kit. It comes with a little sponge. It has the rhinestone picker, your 𝘎𝘪𝘆, the polygel in 2 colours, Love It and Classic. And then you have your nail file, polygel brush, and I'm assuming this is going to be top and base coat, We have the base coat, we have the top coat, and then we have, what is this? Let's see what colour this is. Oh, okay, and then they gave white, so that is just beautiful because you use white for everything. This kit is amazing, actually. We're going to take pictures of everything, and then I will be able to put this little kit up. That's it, that's all that's in the box. I would be able to upload this to my TikTok shop. I don't have too many of these. Let me see how many I have. Okay, so for this kit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I've got 9 of these. And that's it. That's why I say when you find something on my TikTok shop, if you love it, just scoop it up, because only 9 of these. I think I'm going to do them for like £14. Once they're gone, they're gone. Double check, because I might do it for a little bit cheaper. These Ted Glam kits that I was selling on there before done so well. This one is not open. I think I opened the first one, but it comes with a mini UV light. It comes with all the nails and the glue. You just pop in the glue at the end of the nail, pop in the nail on, and then putting it under the curer, and that's it. You can have like a full set in like 10 minutes. That one done well. These kits are doing well. And so I'm going to test trial these kits. Let's see how everything does. I'm going to photograph this stuff so you can see how I do it. Because I like to take an overview picture, and then also one where everything is out on the table. Take this picture with my phone camera. And then once I take the picture, I then make sure I edit it. This is usually when I ignore any packaging and I go straight for putting down whatever is inside the box. I honestly don't know what this sponge is for. I don't think I've ever used a sponge for nails, unless I'm doing an ombre. So once I'm happy with the placement of everything, I go ahead and snap my picture. I want to get like a nice square image. And then I do a little extra so you have close-ups of what you're getting. And then I might just like take that out of there. Still unused, didn't touch my skin. And that's it. Once I have the pictures, I can package it all back up and put it up for sale. That's how we do. Oh, it's for French. That makes sense because you got the nice nudes underneath and then you got the white. Oh, yeah, that's going to sell because French is the #1 thing in the nail industry. Okay, so next we have the acrylic kit. All right, so I'm going to open this up and I'm going to organize it. Obviously, it's a kit that's made for beginners. This is exactly what I recommend for trial and error. Some people like the idea of doing their own nails, and then when they actually do it, the pain is real. I would recommend going for a nice, cheap alternative until you know you like it and you are going to do it consistently on yourself or for other people, and then you can go ahead and invest in good quality brand. So right now we're going to go through the supplies that I've been receiving from the manufacturers that I've been speaking to. I am so excited. When I first saw the 2 boxes that I opened, I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. I wanted to know that it was right, okay? The excitement inside me is so overwhelming. And honestly, I want to keep you guys along with the journey. You guys can let me know how you feel about these things as well. Pros and cons, or if there's something I didn't even think about, something that I've overlooked. So let's get into what I've received from the suppliers. We have a whole bunch of bits to go through, and I'm just going to show you bit by bit. These are the samples that I am getting in the meantime to start my brand. After selling on TikTok consistently, I am aware of what does great and just what doesn't sell too much. I'm going to start with what sells great because that's just the logical thing to do. And I'm going to start small and then hopefully I grow and introduce new products. Okay, let's go from the beginning. I decided to get these cute little bottles in keeping with the theme. They are obviously pink and they are 100 to 125 ml, and they have the screw top lid that you can flick the cap open for and squeeze out your monomer. When I was getting these, I was very conscious of the fact that it might not hold the chemicals that I need it to hold. So I started by ordering 5 to test each chemical in each bottle. So I have gone ahead and put monomer in this one. So I just have the 5. And it's lasted without damaging the bottle. And this one has an acrylic remover liquid in there. I am yet to test acetone. If acetone doesn't burn through this, then nothing's gonna. So far they're doing the job. I'm really excited, and I will be making my own labels to begin with, just to make sure that it's as cost effective as possible for me and for the customers. This is the first thing I wanted to show you guys, and they're really cute bottles for nail chemicals. Oh my god! Look at this bottle, guys. I died when I saw this bottle come in. I couldn't help but open it. This is the most freaking cutest thing I have ever seen. I've been using it how I would usually use top coat, and so it's already got like other gels on it and stuff, but look, it says pinky tips. Oh my gosh, by 𝘎𝑚. And then it has top coat, soak off UV LED, and it's 15 mil. So it's a nice chunky top coat and it's going to last for a while. But this pink is just everything. And then it says shiny top coat at the top. They actually filled it with the top coat so I could see how it is going to be, really. This is just one of the things that really got me excited. And so I know that I was really happy with this. I do know that the white is hard to see, but I'm going to see how it goes. After selling a few of these, then I'm going to know whether or not I want to tweak it and maybe make it a dark pink. But for now, my top and base coat bottles are going to look like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have been putting months into this, and it just feels like I can't believe this is like a possibility. I remember sitting and thinking of the name, you know, and now just to see it on a nail bottle is just so inspiring, so humbling. I just can't wait to see how far this goes. It has the ingredients in the back and how to store it, and then your warning labels at the bottom. At the end, I'm going to show you the whole kit, how it looks together, so you can see how the branding is looking. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys this acrylic brush. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. They sent me just one because these are expensive. It is 100% 𝘠𝘵𝘶𝘵 and it has the cutest design at the bottom. How adorable is this? As soon as it came, I was just ecstatic. It looks perfect. Really well made, really good quality. Don't think I haven't been trying to use this every chance I get, because I need to know that this works really well before I try and give it to anyone. I've probably used this brush about 6-7 times. It has been enough times for me to know if this brush is actually retainable, if the hairs are 100% 𝘠𝘵𝘶𝘵. And I'm overwhelmed. This is beautiful. It doesn't have the Pinky Tips brand name on there as yet because I just wanted to know that the brush was good before adding more costs on top. But they are really good and they do last you for ages. So yeah, I'm really happy with this brush. I can't wait to see what this looks like with my branding on it. It might go over here or it might go here. I think I also want it to say what size brush it is, so my clients are aware. But this one is a size 12 that they sent me. This is just a beautiful brush. So we have bottle, we have gel, and we have brush. Of course, if we have the monomer, are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Guys, look at this jar, guys. This jar, when I received it, I was like, so beautiful. I'm actually loving how the logo looks so professional, so effortless, and it's recognizable as well. Pinky tips. I'm loving that. And the only problem I did have the jar was that the pink is not pinking. Okay, it's peaching, and that's not what we are going for. It's called Pinky Tips for a reason, so I thought I might as well brand the whole thing along the lines of pink, because these two came from the same supplier. Having received that and then getting that, I was a little disappointed. I was at least glad to see that the jar labeling is to an amazing quality. It hasn't scratched off a little bit at all, and they did let me sample their acrylic. I have used it, and 3 of the colors they sent me, amazing. 2 I'm not so sure about. As long as I get this lid matching this pink, I'm gonna be happy. We are getting there with our branding. I got 5 different colors. 2 of these came with pinky tips on there, so I was really happy to see that. And then underneath, I just rewrote the names that the manufacturer has named them. I just wanted to sample their acrylics to see if I like them, and I do love them. They're really buttery, they're really smooth, and they don't marble. When I realized that they didn't marble, I was excited. So I did get these 5 colors and an empty jar. I am loving these. I can't wait to see some more samples of acrylic from this supplier because the consistency is amazing. Okay guys, next we have a pink nail tip box. I was really happy when this came because I have some ideas for the top of it so it doesn't look so plain and it maybe doesn't just say pinky tips. I'm going to think about that, but in the meantime, you can have a look at what this looks like. It does go from 0 to 10. A lot of nail tips go up to 11. It's just going to have to do. I've mixed my 10 and 11. And I also like the fact that it doesn't have like a ridge. Some have ridges on the edge, and I just don't like that for some reason. Okay, so we've done the bottles, we've done the gel, we've done the acrylic brush, nail tips. I wanted to show you this box here because it was one of those things that I haven't sold yet, but I was just too excited in my spirit, and I thought it would be a good thing to have along with what I have so far. And what I got is, it's giving baby bottles. They are 20 ml dropper bottles, and honestly these are the sweetest things I have ever seen. I am loving this so heavily. There are different options of what I can put inside, but I think I just want to start with a really nice cuticle oil. It's a frosted glass and it's all pink. I did have the option of getting like a white top or just like that section in white, but I'm thinking I'm going to stick to pink, see how the brand develops, and then I can make changes along the way. But for now, this is just, look at that. Just loving it. It feels like something you would cherish even after you've finished your product. But again, I will be labeling this myself. I have found a way to get these really nicely labeled without having the entire sticker outline on there. Again, I will be recording as much as I can with you guys so you see how I put everything together before I sell them individually or group them as a kit. I have one more thing to show you. This is actually the first thing I bought with my logo on it, and I'm not gonna lie, I kept it for so long because I hadn't revealed my brand name and I hadn't registered my brand name, but it has been sitting in my room for some time. And yeah, this was the first thing I got with my brand name on it. It's just some packaging tape, but honestly guys, I wish you knew the excitement that I felt when I first received this. I got this tape from 𝘕𝘠𝘁, and honestly 𝘕𝘠𝘁 is like the best thing in the world. Really amazing quality. I have managed to do a repeat pattern on this tape. I actually done it on Canva. I remember learning how to do repeat pattern in uni, and I just thought, am I even going to remember this? Years later, guys, damn near 10 years later, I still remember. So I was really happy. On top of that, again, we have like some random top coat and base coats that everybody sends you. Acrylic samples. They just want you to test everything to see if you love it. Every time you make an order, they send you some top coat and base coat. So for real, for real. And then some of them send colors as well. So this is a white. It's their way of upselling. So yeah, that's a really nice white, and if I do end up getting it, then I will get it with the Pinky Tips branded bottle. I'm thinking of doing a whole video on how I design on Canva. The acrylic jars and the cuticle jars might be a great opportunity for me to do that, just so you guys can see the process of what it is I'm doing. I'm going to leave the orders because this video is long enough. We will catch up on some orders in another video. I can't wait to see where this goes, but the fact that these samples have now arrived, I am so happy with them. It's beyond me, honestly. Little pinky tips, new nail brand on the way. Let's see what happens, but I'll see you guys in the next one for now. Okay, bye.